your most dependable forecast.
Actually, Gordon, I saw a lot of pre-salting going on early this morning, even prior to the arrival of the snow in the metro. But that snow is pretty much fanned out across most of the area now as we begin this Tuesday. And, you know, meteorologist Tom Paul did a really good job last night trying to differentiate that the snow that comes down today is not associated with the big storm that we're anticipating tonight and tomorrow. This is actually a separate weather system, actually a little bit of a weaker storm system, which is impacting the area with generally light snow across the area right now as we begin this Tuesday. But the snowfall intensities have been a little bit more toward the moderate side, especially down here to the south and to sections of the southern tier. But notice the snow's breaking up now out to the west, mid-Lake Erie, down even into sections of Chautauqua County. So the snow will become lighter and more intermittent. This is not going to be a biggie, at least today. At most, maybe an inch or two across northern areas with maybe another 3 to 4 inch spots down here to the south and the southeast. Some moderate snow still being reported at Bradford, PA, Wellsville. Heavy snow coming down at Dansville. That's what that plus sign in front of the SN means. The dash SN at Rochester, Buffalo, the Falls down through Dunkirk and Erie is light snow presently. As we take a look at the broader picture, you can see the snow breaking out back here to the west. So we get a little break in the action, at least for a while today, before that more important storm heads our way tonight and tomorrow. So this is what to expect. The weaker storm working through here today, then the deeper system for tonight and Wednesday. And I really feel quite confident that at least the snow will go over to a period of sleet and freezing rain to the south of the city, especially in northern PA and the southern tier areas as we work into the overnight period, especially by tomorrow morning. In fact, that mix may even make its way as far north as Buffalo. Areas to the north of the city have the greatest chance of remaining all snow with much greater drifting, and there could be 1 foot to 1.5 feet in those areas by the time it winds down. Looking at the weather in the city and the suburbs today, generally light snow becoming more intermittent during the afternoon hours, 16 at 8 a.m., 20 at noon, and 23 at 5 p.m. Temperatures continue to rise, at least during the overnight period. Super microcast showing the snow breaking up across the area, getting into the afternoon hours. Then we get into the overnight storm and the one that will impact us tomorrow. Winds really start to pick up significantly, at least during the overnight period. And look at this. Already by tomorrow morning, the computer is bringing some of that mix up to Buffalo. This is quite possible. For a while tomorrow morning, we may even see a little bit of sleet, maybe even some freezing rain mixing in Buffalo. Now, this would tend to keep down the total snowfall amounts, but by no means does it make travel conditions any better. I mean, it can make for treacherous conditions across the area with that sleet and freezing rain coming down. Greatest chance of remaining all snow up into Niagara and Orleans counties. This computer model even suggesting maybe a plain change over to rain along the Pennsylvania line briefly tomorrow. And all goes back over to snow again during the afternoon into tomorrow night. So a real messy system heading our way. Scattered snow showers left across the area on Thursday. Snow coming down at most roadways this morning. A little bit heavier maybe on the 219, especially 16 to the south of the 400 there. And also out toward the east on 39 as we take a look at the temps. 13 here in Buffalo, 18 at Jamestown, and down at Bradford. Snow across the area this morning becoming intermittent and lighter this afternoon. Maybe at most 1 to 2 inches out of today's activity, but 3 to 4 down to the south and southeast, 22 to 26. For the overnight snow and wind increasing, the snow will mix with sleet and freezing rain to the south. Accumulations of 4 to 7 in the metro northward and 2 to 5 to the south. 20 to 25. Travel will be difficult by tomorrow morning. Snow and a wintry mix changing back to snow tomorrow afternoon. The snow briefly heavy in northern areas tomorrow. Maybe some thunder. 4 to 6 inches to the north. 2 to 4 from the metro southward. 27 to 32. Then on Thursday, partly sunny, a few scattered snow showers, 15 to 20 degrees. Things mellow out for Friday. Sunshine at 25.
It is